Top free AI tools you can use today. Welcome back to the AI Masterclass. Ready to unlock top free AI tools you can start using today? Whether you want to learn faster, create smarter, work better, or even earn online, these tools got you covered. First up, ChatGPT's free version. Imagine having your own tutor, writer, and coder all in one AI assistant. Ask anything and get instant answers. Build projects, learn new skills, or just satisfy your curiosity. Next is Canva AI. Turn your ideas into stunning designs, logos, and posts with magic write, no design degree needed. Whether it's presentations or social media graphics, Canva's AI will make you look like a pro, fast. Love art? Check out Leonardo.ai and Playground AI. They turn your words into incredible images. Perfect for artists, game designers, or anyone wanting to bring wild ideas to life, even memes. Need videos? Pictory.ai offers a free trial to convert your text scripts into stunning videos, like this one. Beginner-friendly Steve.ai helps create animated explainer videos, no animation skills required. For chatting with the internet itself, try Google Bard or Perplexity.ai. They answer hot, current questions better sometimes than Google search. Ready to code? Replit.com lets you build, run, and even deploy apps in your browser, Python, JavaScript, HTML, you name it. And here's some extras you'll want to check out. Tom.app, 11 Labs, Luma AI, Notion AI, and Kyber, all with free trials or beginner plans. Most of these tools are super beginner friendly. The best way in? Dive in, play around, and learn by doing. Stick around. In the next video, we'll show you how to combine 2 or more of these tools to build your own mini AI project. Imagine creating cool AI-powered projects step by step, no guesswork, just fun and learning. So, are you ready to unlock the power of AI? These tools put the future right at your fingertips. Don't just watch, dive in, create, and watch your skills skyrocket with these awesome free tools. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI is for everyone. See you in the next video.